What's going on, guys? So today we are going to get some wheels and tires mounted for the VB, but obviously it won't fit in the VB. So I am borrowing my sister's Durango, and I figured get a little cold start for you. All right, so we're back from getting the tires mounted. It's actually maybe a week or two later. I got pretty sick, but in the meantime, I had some buddies come over, and they installed coilovers. Couldn't get it off the lift, so got dollies. Ramps wouldn't be here in time, so I got some dollies, and yeah, I'll flip the camera around and show you what it looks like. So there we go. Beautiful, beautiful fitment. About 2 fingers in the front, 2 fingers in the rear. Car came out really, really nice. Only thing was, after the coilovers were installed, took it for a ride. The minute I hit, hey look, Bobby. The minute we hit 15 miles an hour, hill assist light and traction control light went off. So if that ever happens to you after you install coilovers, just know that you need an alignment immediately. So the next day I went and got an alignment up the street and hit 15 miles an hour in the parking lot leaving, lights went off. So yeah, there's a end to my little vlog, getting the tires mounted, balanced, a couple, like I said, a week or so after the fact. But yeah, so we're gonna be on to some more mods coming up. Working on the Gen, a couple of videos of the Genesis coming up. But right now the main focus is the WRX. But yeah, if you guys want to see anything else, anything in particular, any questions about the car, let me know. I got what I got coming up for some mods. Oh, let me flip the camera around. I also did a front lip. eBay front lip, $60. Came out great. But yeah, anything you guys want to see? Any questions on installing anything? Just drop a comment below, and be sure to follow, like, subscribe, all social medias. Those should be linked in the description as well. Thanks for watching.